The Ford F-150 Hybrid is one of those trucks that quietly rewrites the rules. Most people just assume hybrid means giving up muscle for mileage, but this thing, it sorts both out with swagger. 430 horsepower and 570 pound-feet of torque, which is wild. Let's talk numbers, because that's where the magic happens. You basically get the power of a V8, but you're watching the gas gauge drop at a snail's pace. 24 miles per gallon combined, and real-world drivers actually get close to that, which never happens. A lot of folks worry buying a hybrid pickup means losing that unmistakable truck feel. The F-150 Hybrid laughs at that notion. It'll tow up to 12,700 pounds. That's more than most boats, campers, or your neighbor's questionable taste in trailer parks. Where things get interesting is the Pro Power Onboard generator. People love this. It's like you're not just driving a truck, you're rolling around with a mobile generator, 7.2 kilowatts of electricity from the bed. Bring on the tailgate parties and power outages. Hybrid battery anxiety is real, and yeah, people ask about reliability. Ford's battery warranty runs 8 years or 100,000 miles. Batteries haven't become instant bricks. Most owners report zero drama, which is saying something considering pickup owners treat their trucks like modern-day mules. The pain point for a lot of us is price. The hybrid costs more upfront, no lie. But if you do the math, refueling every week compared to every third week can save $1,000 or more during typical ownership. That's more than a throwaway stat, real money for tires or some questionable aftermarket add-ons. Driving around Portland, I can tell you, traffic is a thing. The F-150 Hybrid's electric-only mode is shockingly handy when you're inching along. Silent, calm, and not burning a drop of fuel while other trucks idle away their dignity and your air quality. People think hybrids are complicated or intimidating, but moving into a F-150 Hybrid is basically seamless. Press start, it figures things out. Gas and brake work like every normal truck, but suddenly you've got secret agent levels of cleverness smoothing out your drive. For those freakish winter power outages, this system keeps the essentials alive. Fridge, lights, charge the laptop, whatever. It'll run for days if you need. There's something very be prepared for anything about it that taps into every secret Boy Scout tendency I didn't know I had. One thing that gets overlooked: instant torque. Punch the pedal and the F-150 Hybrid leaps forward, perfect for blasting onto a crowded highway, passing skittish Priuses, or just feeling smug during yet another rainstorm. Here's a pro tip nobody talks about. The onboard generator isn't just for work. I've seen it power espresso machines at soccer games, DJ setups at block parties. One guy even set up inflatable movie night by the river. Don't be surprised when everyone suddenly wants you to show up. Buyers inevitably ask if it's really worth it. If your life is meandering between tow jobs, commutes, and spontaneous camping, the F-150 Hybrid is weirdly perfect. It isn't magic, but it's pretty close. A modern truck for people who want to do everything and occasionally impress their in-laws.